hey, even the DALI world doesn't stop at our hybrid series 14. That's exactly why today we are taking on the commissioning of the bus device FD2G14. The connection is made to an ELTAKO RS485 bus. The cross-wiring is done here using jumper bridges. Here the FAM14 is always needed as the interface device for commissioning. We typically start by connecting the power supply of 32 volts to the terminals L and N. The voltage for DALI devices is provided at the terminals DA plus and minus. DALI-2 event messages can be interpreted and output to the bus using the hold terminal. This allows an output via the telegram duplicator FD2G14 into the N-Ocean wireless network. The maximum current for the DALI bus is 200 mA. You can operate up to 64 DALI and DALI-2 control devices, as well as 64 DALI-2 sensors on the FD2G14. The gateway controls DALI devices with in-ocean sensor telegrams. You have the option to control 16 groups or send a broadcast command. With the DALI cockpit software, you can configure DALI components. We program a broadcast command as a universal button in our example. We turn the upper rotary switch to position 9 for broadcast. The positions 0 to 8 are for DALI groups 0 to 8. The groups 8 to 15 can be configured via the PCT14. We set the lower rotary switch to UT for universal push button. Now the LED on the gateway starts blinking. Wireless push buttons always require a double click when manually programmed into the gateway. After we press the radio button, the LED turns off. The rotary switches are then turned back to 0 and auto. The radio button now switches on and off with a short impulse and dims, up and down with long impulses. DALI-2 event messages like motion or brightness from a motion brightness sensor can be programmed into the actuators of Series 14. This allows, for example, lighting controls to be automated and efficiently adjusted. Decentralized actuators of Series 61, 62 and 71 can also be controlled when the data is transmitted via the FD2G14. And this allows flexible control within an intelligent building network. Additionally, this data can be programmed into a controller, which opens up even more individual control options. The entire configuration is carried out via the PCT14. Now I wish you a lot of fun in the DALI world. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and also feel free to give a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.